Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel today. If today is your first time of being here, you are welcome. My old subscribers, you are welcome. I love you all to the glory of the Lord. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make apple cider vinegar at home. Okay, that is what you are going to be doing today. If you have not been here today and today is your first time, please don't forget to press that red button that says subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to know. This is the one I've made. You see the mother in it. The down has the mother in it. That is what you are going to be doing today. So as from today, if you cannot make your apple cider vinegar before in your house, try it out. You will see that it's the same apple cider vinegar as this bottle. So this is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. You are welcome. So don't worry anymore that you didn't see apple cider vinegar. Welcome. Let's go and start. Let me teach you how to do it. So this is apple. I want to use 4 apple. You can decide to use more. So you can decide to use the green apple, but I'm using 4. I'm going to dice them into pieces. You have to wash it before dicing it. So I'm going to dice them into pieces just this way. You can decide to use the green one. The green one is good too. This one is good too. Depends on the one that you have at home or that you know is available for you to get. So the green or this is the same, okay? It's the same. As far you can leave it the same day, it's going to give you the same result. Okay, so you just dice it into pieces. I'm going to be using my smaller bottle today. I have big bottle that I use and I have smaller bottle. Today I'm going to be using the small bottle. So after dicing this theory, I have to try it if it will contain my bottle. So as you can see, it's remaining small. Just simple as ABCD. It's not going to take much of your time before you know we are done. So this is the small bottle I'm going to be using today. Before I dice the last one, I have to check if it will contain so that I will not waste it. So I'm putting it inside. You have to rinse your bottle first before doing that. So guys, don't worry anymore. I didn't see apple cider vinegar to buy. There's no apple cider vinegar to buy. Now you can do it yourself at home. So this is it. That means I'm not going to be cutting the other one. This is sugar. You can skip this aspect of sugar if you don't want to. So I'm going to be adding water to it. Just water. Nothing but water. But the sugar aspect, you can skip it. Okay? So I'm going to be covering it. You make sure that what you use to cover it, there will be no place that hair will go through inside. It has to really be covered. Okay? It has to really be covered. So I'm putting it in the hidden place so that it will be here for 1 month or 30 days. Yeah, 30 days. The same. So after 5 days, I just bring it out. I'm going to stir. You see the way it's very tight. So tight. You can even add nylon to cover it. So I'm going to stir. Push it down. Push it down. Stir. You see the color is changing. Gradually, it's changing. You see the water is changing. So after I finish stirring it, I'm going to keep it back. Remember, we're going to be leaving it for 1 month. Some people leave it for 1 month plus. So now after 1 month, you see the mother there. So maybe it's the light that didn't make you to see it well. The window lights, I don't know, but I hope you see it clearly. Okay, so I'm just stirring it now. After stirring it, I'm going to be turning it to the filter to sip it out the water I want, which is the vinegar. You have to see the smell here. Everywhere is just smelly. Apple cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Yes, this is it, guys. So good. You can do it. I'm going to be using this jug to turn it to the bottle I normally put it. I have also apple cider vinegar that I bought. It has been long, so I didn't throw the bottle away. Sometimes I put it in the bottle, but I'm tired of using the bottle, so I have new bottle, which is this, that I'm going to be keeping it. You understand? So I'm going to pour it in this bottle. So guys, make yours and tag me with it. Make yours and tag me with it. You can skip the sugar aspect, as I said before. You can skip it. It's not that really compulsory. You can skip it. You can use honey as well. It's just to take 1 teaspoon or 2, add it to your tea. You are good to go. Okay, so this is it. You can take a spoon and put it in your mouth, or you put it inside the water. You stir and drink. Oh, thank you all. I love you all. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye.